Are you looking for best bathroom gadgets? Everyone loves a good spa in a bathroom. Whether you're a bath person or a shower person, you probably spend a lot of time in there. So in this video, we will let you know about top 10 most useful bathroom gadgets and accessories on Amazon. Let's just get into the video. Number 10. UV Toothbrush Holder Sanitizer. UShape Toothbrush Sanitizer can clean 99.9% of the microbes on the toothbrush. This toothbrush holder can hold 5 toothbrushes at one time. Wireless use, no external power cord required. The toothbrush sanitizer divider attached is made of ABS material. The UV toothbrush holder has an underlying 2000 mAh lithium battery. The LCD shows 300's programmed cleaning time, quit working after finish. After full charge, accessible 70 around the day, it is extremely helpful to save energy. Number 9. Call her toilet seat. It is made up of plastic with round shape. Change water splash position and strain utilizing the advantageous side handle. Physically worked handle requires no batteries or electrical force. Quiet close lid closes slowly and quietly without smashing. Quick release turning point permit seat to be unlocked from toilet for simple removal and advantageous cleaning. Quick and easy to assemble. Expects association with toilet water supply line. All hoses and associations are incorporated. Number 8. IFOX Bluetooth Waterproof Shower Speaker. The IFOX Mini Bluetooth speaker is compact with some additional quality, taking into consideration more hearty sound quality than other opponents. With HD sound execution and 5 watts of amazing sound, the IFOX shower speaker gives you greater bass without damage, even at most extreme volume. Ideal for seashore days or by the pool, our Bluetooth pool speaker can be soaked in up to 3 feet of water. Activate genuine remote mode by adjusting 2 IFOX compact Bluetooth speakers through any gadget to make a powerful right and left channel impact that gives an intense sound experience like no other. Number 7. Razer Holder Hook. It is made of waterproof 304 treated steel without dropping down or getting rust. Solid for its quality and lifespan. Super amazing pre-stuck cement will uphold up to 5 kg without harming the divider. Strongly sticky, high flexibility, high quality and solidness. Traceless, no paste mark without harming the surface. If it's not too much trouble, eliminate the defensive film before use. Ideal for a wide range of gear fittings or razors, advantageous and flawless. It works best on clay tiles, glass, mirrors, rock, tempered steel, acrylic, cover, and all non-permeable surfaces. Ideal for a wide range of hardware attachments or razors, advantageous and perfect. Number 6. Soap Dish Holder Self-Draining. This soap dish holder is for toilets and kitchen, permits water to stream directly from the redirection port into the sink. Dries the cleanser all the more effectively, decreases waste, and saves cleanser. Cleanser holder is useful in the washroom and kitchen to prevent wastage. You can place cleanser in the cleanser terry or put other little articles, for example, wipes, scours, and brushes to keep the spot perfect and clean. This cleanser dishes for washroom are made of ABS material, not effectively twisted and extremely simple to clean. Number 5. Shroom Tub Drain Protector. Not at all like ordinary accessories that go over the drain, Shroom fits inside, conveniently gathering hair around it. At the point when it's an ideal opportunity to clean up, basically clear Shroom off and go. No unforgiving synthetic substances, not any more tangled remains. This bath channel sifter fits any standard tub drain and is ensured to get each hair without fail. Shroom is intended to easily get any sort of human or pet hair without disturbing the progression of water. A solitary handyman visit can cost hundreds. Number 4. TwoPiece's Rolling Tube Toothpaste. Do you actually think it difficult to press toothpaste and facial cleaning agent? Utilize our squeezer to loosen up your hands. The tube dispenser crushes the cylinder beauty care products effectively and easily. Utilize the handle to delicately turn the cylinder beauty care products out. Put the cylinder beauty care products in a standing situation to save space, and utilize this upward bearing to store your things, making your counter spotless and clean. The line is wide and the space is profound, so that any kind of cylinder beauty care products is reasonable, and the cylinder beauty care products is not difficult to set in and remove. This facial cleaning agent squeezer is little, lovely, and reusable, with waterproof and simple to clean material, and can be immediately replaced and reused. Number 3. U-shaped automatic cleaning toothbrush. U-formed toothbrush. In line with the state of the human mouth, you can clean your teeth naturally by delicately squeezing it in your mouth. Food-grade delicate silicone material. It doesn't hurt your gums. Care for teeth. Incredible blue light sonic cleaning. Profound cleaning. Take out plaque and stains. 4 gears are flexible. Amazing brushing. Happy with brushing, brightening teeth. Meet your various necessities. Charging time is under an hour and a half. Subsequent to charging, it tends to be utilized for over multi-week, energy-saving, and eco-friendly. Number 2. Water tap with colored LED waterfall spout. It is consequently Gadget's infrared sensor non-contact basin battery-fueled, no requirement for mains power. It consists of metal high-quality chrome plating surface, liberated from weighty metals, extremely shiny completion, and rock-solid and tough water tap with flow ramble. Water main supply 3. Color changing temperature control. LED's light color may be blue, green, and red. With hot-cold conversion point valve. DAN standard 3/8-inch adaptable standard interfacing hoses, single opening establishment. Number 1. Zircon Air Purifier UV Toilet Sterilizer. It consists of favored materials, long existence of germicidal lights, solid bright cleansing, successful removal of scent, just 6 minutes each time. Lithium battery power supply provides no attachment, charging through the USB interface. Little and versatile, it can be utilized as an everyday sanitization and well-being and security convenient sterilization gear. Ozone cleansing can allow your family to dispose of formaldehyde and scent in the new house and get a solid environment. It is particularly appropriate for eliminating harmful microorganisms and infections in the lounge, washroom, kitchen, toilets, pet home, and many more. So viewers, we hope that you liked the video, and we will come with some amazing videos like this in future. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that red icon to stay updated. Till then, goodbye.